What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A couple things I want to do with the BMW today. First things first, gotta pull in the barn, but I want to, let's see, for example, I'm not gonna like change these out probably today, but kind of see how that's that kind of ugly yellow light. Oh, here, yellow. It's a BMW. Shouldn't have yellow lights. I bought a $35 kit on Amazon to pretty much replace all of these yellow iridescent lights. Footwell, glove box, you can do that one as well. I might do that actually. Footwell, the light right there, and the light there, you can see kind of. I want to do all those, so that's what I'm gonna do. Pull it in the barn and show you the kit that I got and the instructions. But yes, and then I also want to investigate the comfort access system. Is not working properly or at all, really. But the first thing to check is the fuse. So I need to find the fuse location, the box, and then see if I can't see if there's actually a bad fuse, which my guess is there might be. So that is the plan. Okay, cool. Let me show you some other examples of what I'm talking about. That can be changed. I want to change out license plate light. That one's not working, and that one is, but it's ugly. So yeah, we're gonna change pretty much all those lights. Here is the paper. Now you guys can see it tells you, look at all the little lights you can replace. Tells you what you can do, what you can replace. Here's all the little LEDs. It tells you, so it's really pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna probably do this off camera because it's really not that interesting. Maybe I'll show you how to do at least one of them. But yeah, that's the plan. It's pretty simple. So let's do it. Pop to squat. I'm gonna do this front left door first. Got the nice little interior tool. And you can see on all these little lights, there's one side has just a little indentation, and that's the side you know to do first. And you can see it goes right here. And you let's see if I can get this on camera. But it's supposed to just, there it goes. That is nice and easy. And it's also this clear thing comes out too by the looks of it. There it goes. Alright, oh nice. So that's what you're replacing. This guy is just a housing. I might even take this little thing off because it's really only for diffusing the light. I'm gonna see what it looks like without it. Okay, time to replace it. Okay, it's gonna be hard to show you guys, but whoever is watching this video for this little tutorial, you see that little tab right there? There's a tab on this side. You push those in, and then it does help. The vehicle will kind of like go into a sleep mode, and it will the lights will turn off, so it'll make it a little bit easier. This guy's kind of hot too, so while it's on. But yeah, you just press those little tabs in with your fingernails, and then you pull out on the bulb. I used a microfiber so I could pull on it, and it just kind of pops out. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is how it plugs in. Get on my knees. How the LED plugs in. Let's see, get that. You see the little metal kind of look like claws. That's where the LED kind of just pops in there. So And that's how that works. I already popped it in. I took it out again to show you guys. So put it back in, and I'll see if it works. All right, it's reinstalled, and you really can't tell how bright it is because it's very light out. But I think we're gonna do the next one is the footwell, because that'll be a little better representation to see if it's the same brightness or brighter. So that's what I'm gonna go do next. All right, as you can see, the footwell is done. That's super easy. I'm gonna clean that later, don't worry about it. This side, funny enough, also really easy to pop off. This one didn't even have a light bulb in it, which is kind of random. But a little different style, still really easy to replace and get at. Might be on, if I can, I might even do this on camera. Point that down, boom. I guess probably that way, so the light will shine. Dang it. There we go. Oh wait, it's both. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, started to. Click. And then pop. Take that light out. Boom. You have nice white light. Oh, looks so much better compared to that side. Ugh. So yeah, it really is that easy. Oh, light. It really is that easy once you get it. You know, you do your first one, it goes pretty fast. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going around the vehicle, and it's good stuff. It's fun. All right, so I'm working on the rear license plate lights, and it's not quite a perfect fit, but this guy requires a little bit of technique to get off. You first, let's see if I can do this with one-handed slash two hands. First you move it over to the right and then down. See? Whoop, can you see it? I'll do it again. So first over to the right towards the camera, and then also pull down. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. And you can see now it's loose, and then you bring it back over and it's free. And then it takes a little bit more wiggling, and there you have it. Just kind of pull the wire down a little bit, and then to get at the actual bulb, you take this metal cover off, which there's two little metal clips, and then you also push in right here, and it again takes a little finagle, but you'll get it. All right, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you guys found this somewhat enjoyable to watch, as always. And if you're watching this for informative reasons, hopefully you enjoyed that as well and learned something from it. I say the biggest thing when you're working with interior stuff is to be confident, because kind of the more you undo tabs and kind of get the feel for it, whenever you first start working on interior components, it always feels like you're going to break something. So just remember, you know, be confident. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, it's good stuff.